everyone, my name is Julie. Today I am going to be showing you guys my buffalo chicken wrap recipe. And it is a very easy recipe that I think everybody is gonna like. It's one of those recipes that if you're having a bunch of people over, kind of turn your crock pot on in the morning and let it cook all day. It really doesn't take that much. It is not a lot of ingredients and it is super delicious. Please try it and let me know if you do. Let's get on it. So for this recipe, I like to put the crock pot on high and then put a little bit of olive oil, not a lot, because it's not really needed. And I put 3 frozen chicken breasts. Then I add a splash of salt and a half a cup of my buffalo wing sauce. You can choose whatever buffalo wing sauce you like. Then I add about a half a cup of water as well. I don't like it too spicy, but it's up to you. And then after 3 hours of letting it sit, I come back and I kind of like put a little bit more buffalo sauce if needed. I added a splash of almond milk and just kind of move it around a little bit, making sure that everything's cooking appropriately. And after 2 more hours, so 5 hours, I take it all out and I am going to start shredding it with 2 forks. I make sure everything is very thinly shredded. I really do like it falling apart, and then I go back and I mix it in with the sauce and leave it in warm while I turn on the skillet. I put it on medium heat, spray it a little bit, and I take out my tortilla wrap. I put some blue cheese on it, not a lot. I will explain how to make the blue cheese on another video, but for this you can use regular blue cheese. And then I add some of the chicken, some romaine lettuce, and finally a little bit of avocado. Then I wrap it all together. I do 2 sides first, holding it down. I do the other side, and then I put it in the warm skillet. Press it down a little bit. I usually turn this around 4 times so that to avoid burning, and then I cut it in half and it is ready to eat. Let me know what you guys think, and please let me know if you make it. Alright, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys really do try this recipe, and don't forget, follow me on Instagram for more recipes, for recipe requests. I always check my DMs, and if you want to follow me also for some food reviews. I always have people trying my recipes and telling my followers what they think. Alright, bye!